Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. So my friends, my name is Purba and I welcome you all in my Indian vlog channel. At the very first of today's video, today's vlog, I want to wish you all a very happy Republic Day, a very happy 26th of January to all my viewers, my subscribers, my family and my friends. Now, I hope you will celebrate this 26th of January with your family with lot of love, lot of happiness, lot of prosperity and lot of pride. And I hope you will do wonderful things in this weekend. You will do wonderful things in this special day. Weekend. The thing is, I am wishing you little early because 26th of December is on Saturday and I am wishing you in my Friday vlog. But that's okay. I am wishing you from the bottom of my heart a very happy Republic Day. And in this special day, my friends, I want to share a very special recipe with all of you because this is just the beginning of weekend. I'll give you this recipe so that you can try this recipe in the weekend and you can enjoy it with your family, with your friends. So in my previous vlog, Bikram made a delicious fish fry. You all have liked that recipe on that vlog when I shared the good news with all of you. So today I thought of I'll share this recipe in details because on that vlog I was just showing you that he is making that. I couldn't give you any details recipe. So today in this vlog I am going to give you just fish fry recipe but in details. So I hope you are going to like it and you will enjoy this recipe in the weekend. So now I'll go straight to the kitchen and I'll make a delicious recipe just for you all. Now here I have arranged all the ingredients to make today's very special and yummy fish fry recipe. I have taken pangasius fish today, but you can take whatever fish is available in your market. I have marinated these fish pieces with some lemon and salt and that too for 30 minutes now. Here in this bowl I have taken 2 tablespoons of semolina, that is suji, and 2 tablespoons of maida, that is all-purpose flour. I have mixed this all together and here I have my baking powder. I'll add the baking powder into this bowl later. And here is my coriander leaf and little bit of green chili. And here is ginger garlic paste, little bit of salt, then dhania powder or coriander powder, and here is red chili powder. And here is little bit of warm water. So now these are the ingredients. So let's start making the batter. To make the batter, first of all, I'm gonna transfer these dry ingredients into this bigger bowl. Here I have already told you 2 tablespoons of suji and 2 tablespoons of maida. And now let's add all the ingredients one by one. First of all, here is baking powder. You have seen I have added very little amount of baking powder, not much. And here is my coriander and green chili, dhania powder, red chili powder, and here is my ginger garlic paste. And now I'm going to give it a good mix, little bit of salt as well, and oil. Not much, and oil is optional too, you can skip. But I love to add oil in my batter. And here is my warm water. Now I'll make a smooth batter out of it. So my friends, you can definitely skip if you don't want coriander. But trust me, dhania always gives a very nice winter feel. So I always add it. And here is the batter absolutely ready. This should be the consistency of this batter, not too much thick, not too much thin. This is the proper one. And about the spice, you can add whatever spice you want. Any spice of your choice you can add into this batter. My mom always prefers to add kalonji into the batter. It gives a nice crunch into this. And you can add ajwain, jeera, whatever you want, or even you can add amchur powder into it. Now my batter is ready. It has rested for 10 minutes now, and now I'll start frying my fish. So here I have taken some oil, and after I have to coat my fish pieces with this batter really well, and we have to coat it evenly, and then carefully I'm gonna place it into the oil. When we fry our fish pieces, we have to be very careful about the temperature. Our flame should be on medium, not in high, otherwise fish pieces will be cooked from outside and little raw from inside, so you have to be careful. Here with so much of patience I am frying my fish pieces, and now it seems like the lower part is cooked properly. Now I am gonna flip it. Now look at these gorgeous fish pieces, my friends. It's looking absolutely ready, delicious and super tempting, and also it feels like that it's super duper crispy. And here I am checking these parts, and it seems it's super duper crispy. And now with the help of a fork, I'm gonna check the fish, and it's just perfect. Time to take out the fish pieces now. These are absolutely ready, and it's looking so crispy and super tempting. And now in the same way, I'm gonna fry 2 more pieces. Finally, these 2 pieces are ready too, and my fish fry is done. Just look at this, my friends. This is winter special Bengali fish fry, and here it looks like my final fish fry platter with some salad and sauce. Now I'm gonna roast 2 pieces of bread, and then my dinner platter will be also ready. Look at this gorgeous looking tricolor salad. Especially in today I have made this tricolor salad, saffron, white and then green. And here is my fish fry. I have decorated my fish fries with some tomatoes, fresh onion and some boiled peas. And here I have green sauce and chili sauce. So yeah, this is looking so gorgeous and super tempting. And in 15th August also, my friends, I have made this tricolor salad. So you can also try it in your home. With fish fry, salad is a must, and also sauce. And also Bengalis love to have kasundi with our fish fry. But today I don't have it. Today we are gonna have fish fry with all these items. So now let's start having our dinner. So my friends, that was today's small celebration of Republic Day. I have given you a detailed recipe of this fish fry. It is a requested video because many of my viewers told me to give this yummy fish fry recipe in details, especially Rupam. I remember you requested me in my last vlog. So here it is, and also we are very happy to have this tricolor salad because this is a tribute to our country. And
I remember we did it in the 15th August as
yes, well. In 15th August, and there was a vlog also. We made this kind of salad, and also I have taken this chia seed special bread, multigrain bread. So that will be our dinner today with this fish fry, 2 types of sauce, salad and bread. And now Bikram also will tell you.
Yeah, so happy Republic Day to all of you, and hope you will have a wonderful Republic Day weekend.
Yes.
And hope you will enjoy with your friends, your relatives, your family. So have a good day on our side. And
Yes.
this is a small
Celebration
from our
celebration.
side.
And we all hope that this Republic Day brings lot of luck, love, care to all the members of our country. And that is my personal wish, that is our wish, and that everyone smile in this beautiful Republic Day. So now we'll test and
Let's start our dinner.
last day you made that, today I made it.
Let's see how you made it.
Yes, this is actually our always favorite recipe, and my friends, this is little unhealthy because this is deep fried, but with lot of salad and especially this multigrain bread, this is actually quite a healthy dinner. But yeah, once in a while we can have little bit of fried food. That there is no harm in that. Yes, so here is your bread. Just taste little bit and tell my viewers how
sure.
it. Yeah. Yes.
Wow, looks fantastic.
And this is Bikram's favorite fish, pangasius.
This was yes.
It was a big bite.
It was
Tasty?
awesome.
Yeah.
So nice.
Because actually this fish is itself really tasty, and then again I made the batter in this way. So my friends, please try it in your home and please let me know how you like it, how your family reacts in this recipe, because this is super simple, super easy, and you can have it with anything. You can make some pulao and then you can have it with some raita, dahi, or you can have it in a little continental way with some bread. So I hope you have enjoyed today's vlog. If you have liked it, then again please subscribe to my channel. Those who have not, this is my earnest request to all of you. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. So until then, tata, bye bye, love you.
Bye bye.